This tutorial explains how to list your aircraft on CollectAirs. Scroll down to find the Sell With Us section. Click Sell With Us to start listing your aircraft. Click the Title field to enter your aircraft's title. Click the Description field to add a detailed description of your aircraft. Click Select a brand to choose your aircraft's manufacturer. Click Next to continue to the Location Details section. Click Select a country. Click Select a city to specify the city where the aircraft is located. Click Next to proceed to the Engine Information section. Enter all required information to proceed. Click Next to move to the Image Upload section. Upload your aircraft images by dragging and dropping or selecting files. Click Interior to add images or details about the aircraft's interior. Click Mechanical to provide mechanical condition details or images. Click Documentation to upload relevant documents for your aircraft. Click Other to add any additional information or images. Click Next to proceed to auction timing and pricing options. Select your currency and optionally add a starting or reserve price. Click Next to review and finalize your auction listing. Click Create Auction to publish your aircraft listing on CollectAirs. Click Continue to complete the listing process and view your auction dashboard. You have successfully created and published your aircraft auction listing on CollectAirs. Review your listing on the dashboard and manage your auction as needed to attract potential buyers.